welcome. Today I am with NOKIA G50 and I will show you how we can find and manage sound settings. So at first we have to open the settings. Next we have to simply go for sound options and it's right here. And at first we can adjust volume level of media, calls, ring and notification and alarm by moving these dots for left or right. As you can see, it's very simple. In this place we can also enable vibration for calls. Below we can find the do not disturb mode, we can customize and then turn it on by tapping on this blue icon. We can also use this option, media player, in the quick settings. Below we can find shortcut to prevent ringing, and here we can turn it on, turn it off or mute, whatever you want. We can also change phone ringtone for first SIM card. When you go for the advanced we can make the same for the second. We can change notification sound. We can change alarm clock. And in this place we can adjust other sounds and vibrations, like for example touch sounds or charging sounds and vibration. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.